Hey everybody, this is your introductory video to week 3. So this is module 3 that we're going to be covering. I'm just going to show you around a little bit. So last week we talked about the need for physical education. We looked at national standards for physical education, some of the components of a quality physical education program. You did a discussion about your history with physical education. This week, we're going to talk about the instructional process. Now, this looks like a long module. It's not as bad as it seems, or not as long as it seems, but there's a lot to the instructional process. So we're really going to talk a lot about how to create and design a PE lesson. So it's really important that you're able to design a PE lesson that when you go to your class, you'll be put yourself in the best position for success and put your students in the best position for success. So there's some things about managing recess time, different components of a lesson plan, developmental levels of students. You're going to do an assignment where you create lesson plans. There's some neat tools that you'll be able to use to do that. How you create a quality curriculum, so how you create lesson plans over the course of 9 weeks or your entire school year. Characteristics of a quality lesson plan. So there's a lot about how to put together that lesson and that design. We're going to look at a website called Playworks. Playworks is a good resource. There'll be a couple of different things in the module that will point you towards the Playworks website. They do a lot of things with recess. They go into schools and do lots of free training, so they're a really, really good resource. There's a lot of different games. So you're going to go through the Playworks website, you'll check it out and find some games that you like and submit a game as part of an assignment. This is conflict resolution. Rock, paper, scissors is one of the things we use for conflict resolution. There's a video on how to do it on Playworks, and you're going to create a video. So this is a video assignment. You're going to create a video teaching me how to play rock, paper, scissors. It's really important that you get somebody to film you on that video. The quality of your video is going to be reflected in your grade. So if you take your phone and set it up against the wall or something like that, and then use that to record your video at a really bad angle or really dark, your grade's going to be poor. It's better if you have 3 people for this. 2 people to play rock, paper, scissors, and then 1 person to film. It's a simple assignment, but you do need to plan for it. You can see here we're going to have a proctored test next week, so you need to sign up for the proctored exam this week. You do that by clicking the Smarter Proctoring button. There it is right there. You click on there and you can sign up for your test. There is a study guide that tells you exactly what you need to study for your test. That's really important that you click on that, and that tells you exactly what you need to do in order to be prepared for the test. So that's what you've got for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know, and good luck.